Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating a chart, you can change its fundamental chart type. Alternatively, you could also choose a different subtype of the same general chart type you initially selected. Either way, be aware that when you change the chart type, you may lose some custom formatting applied to the chart, or you may need to reposition custom elements added to the chart area. To change your chart type, select the chart or one of its chart elements. Next, click the Change Chart Type button in the Type button group on the Design tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. In the Change Chart Type dialog box that appears, select the type of chart to use from the various chart types in the pane at the left side of the dialog box. When you do that, the different subtypes of the selected chart type appear in the scrolling list at the right side of the dialog box. Click the specific chart subtype to apply. Then click the OK button at the bottom of this dialog box to change the selected chart type.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.